Do you want to change your Steam download location, because your downloads are slow or you simply can't download anything? Then watch this video to learn how to resolve this issue. Open your Steam app. Click on Steam. Open the Settings option. Select Downloads. In Downloads region, you can select your download location. Press the OK button. Press Restart to apply the changes. If you want to change the location of your downloads, click on Steam Library Folders. In here you can select the drive you want to use. In these three little dots you can select the folder location for your games. You can also create a new folder.